The waiting room felt colder than it should have. Zara sat hunched over, her eyes locked on the closed door that led to the examination room. The leash in her hand trembled slightly, and the golden retriever at her feet, Bruno, rested his head on her knee, his breathing slower than usual. He was only 7, but today he looked like he was 15. His coat had dulled, his energy had vanished, and he hadn't eaten properly in days. When the vet walked in, he didn't sugarcoat it. Stage 3 kidney failure. Dr. Rayanne said softly, "We can try conventional treatment, fluids, special diets, but I'll be honest, it will only buy you time. Maybe weeks, maybe months." Zara felt the floor drop out beneath her. Bruno had been with her through every moment life had thrown her way. He was there when her mother passed, lying beside her in bed when she couldn't speak or cry. He'd been the only heartbeat in the house after her breakup, when loneliness could have swallowed her whole. Losing him wasn't just losing a pet. It was like losing a part of her soul. "There's one more option," Dr. Rayanne continued. "It's called regenerative medicine. Stem cell therapy, immune modulators, and a tailored nutrition and supplement plan. It's premium care and it isn't cheap, but I've seen it work. Dogs who were dying are now thriving, running, eating, living." Zara didn't even flinch. She didn't ask about the price. She sold her camera gear, skipped rent, paused her business, and borrowed what she could. Her only condition? If there's a chance he can stay, give him that chance. The next few weeks were brutal. Bruno's first infusion left him tired. There were moments Zara doubted herself, when he whimpered in the night, when he refused his favorite treats. But every morning, she sat by his side, whispered stories into his ear, and told him he was strong, that they weren't done yet. By week 4, something shifted. He started following her to the door again. His eyes, once clouded, began to clear. At week 6, he brought her his leash. It was a small moment, but she cried for 10 minutes straight. Then came the transformation no one expected. With weekly cellular therapy, a custom diet of bioactive compounds, and close digital monitoring through a collar device that tracked his vitals in real time, Bruno began to glow again. His tail wagged like a metronome. He chased squirrels. He barked at clouds. By month 3, strangers were stopping her in the park asking how old her puppy was. She told them the truth. "He's 7, and 3 months ago, I thought I was saying goodbye." Bruno's recovery wasn't a fluke. In the last year, thousands of dogs across the world had begun receiving life-extending, quality-enhancing treatments that were once reserved for elite human medicine. From cardiac gene therapy to precision oncology, premium veterinary care had become a revolution. Quiet but undeniable. In Florida, a bulldog named Moose received cancer-targeting nanotherapy and went into remission within months. In Tokyo, a greyhound with crippling arthritis was now competing in agility again after nerve regeneration treatments. In Lahore, a mixed breed named Tinku was fitted with a 3D printed joint that let him walk without pain for the first time in a year. These weren't rich people's dogs. These were beloved companions whose owners dared to hope, to believe in something beyond palliative care. And the technology wasn't just helping the dogs. It was reshaping what humans believed about life, love, and letting go. Zara became part of an online group of dog parents undergoing similar journeys. They shared updates like proud parents. "He ate a full bowl today. She climbed the stairs the first time. He barked at the mailman again." Simple things that now felt like miracles. The world hadn't noticed yet. These stories weren't trending hashtags or viral news segments. But one by one, they were being told. In parks, in waiting rooms, in quiet conversations that always ended the same way. "I thought I was losing him, but he came back to me." Bruno turned 8 last week. Zara threw him a party. There were balloons, treats, and a tiny hat that he wore just long enough for a photo. When he ran to the garden to greet the guests, tongue out, tail wagging, you'd never guess he'd ever been sick at all. And as he curled up beside her that night, his breathing soft and peaceful, Zara whispered to him, "Thank you for fighting. I'll never take another moment for granted." Because in a world where dogs rarely live long enough, premium care isn't just medicine. It's a chance to rewrite the ending. And sometimes when science, heart, and hope collide, the story doesn't end. It begins again.